What's up, guys? Got me a video doorbell pro here. I do have a already a Wyze doorbell on here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this thing. Well, just because it's newer, I guess. No, that's not it. So here's the thing. This video doorbell pro, you don't need to hardwire it into the doorbell, but you can if you want to. So today I'm just going to do a little comparison between the the older video doorbell versus the new doorbell pro, and let you guys see the quality of it. That's one reason why you would be upgrading this if you want better quality. I'm hoping that notification and things like that would be better as well. In the box you got yourself video doorbell plus the new chime. So every doorbell comes with a chime, so that when they press on the doorbell, it'll ring you inside. So it's basically a wireless chime. That's all it is. So this right here is different. Here's the new doorbell. Now check this out. It's twice the size. Oops. It's twice the size of the regular doorbell. Obviously, because you gotta have a battery inside of here, so that's the reason why. Alright, so let's see if we can get in there and do some installation here. There are some plates and things like that are all in this box right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can hardwire it in there anyway. But I want to show you guys the quality first before I take that thing out, because that thing has to be hardwired in. So okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so here you go. Right now I've got this thing stacked on top of the old doorbell, and so as you can see right there, I'm trying to get the same angle as possible. Anyway, I have this thing recorded on my phone as well, and so you can see right here it looks pretty good. Now the one thing that I do notice the difference between the old doorbell versus the new one is that you can see how it's a lot wider. You can see all this brick right here. And then check out this brick right here. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to the older doorbell, which is the one at the bottom. So you can see that the brick on this side right here is even less. You see that? So you're not really getting like the entire door over here. So it's sometimes the UPS man would leave packages on this end right here, and I wouldn't be able to see it. So if I were to switch over to the doorbell pro, you can see that it has more of like a fish eye, so I can now see all the packages that's at my door right here. So here's the old doorbell right here. As you can see, I mean, it's not really catching everything, right? So the view is a little bit less. When I zoom in, let's see here, I mean, you get the full view. It's pretty good, I think, from an old tech standpoint. Now, the new doorbell, much clearer, right? Yeah, much clearer. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of notification right now because I'm staying right in front of it. But yeah, a lot clearer. I think this is a good upgrade if you have the older doorbell. And it comes with the chime and everything, so it's the same thing. The beauty about the new Pro is that you can hardwire if you want to. So after this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this thing off, and I'm going to hardwire into the new one, so I don't have to keep charging the battery. Not sure how long the battery will last on this thing though. It doesn't have like a flashlight function or anything like that, I don't think. So it should last pretty long, in my opinion, if they're gonna build something like this. Obviously, it's twice the size of the original one, so half of it is probably just all battery right there. But yeah, anyway, that's it right there. That's the new Doorbell Pro with the image quality right there.